Ever wanted to make your car the star of the show, dropping the background and placing it in a brand new environment? Let's dive into Adobe Photoshop and learn how to do just that. First, open the image of your car. We'll start by duplicating the original layer. This is a good idea to keep the original picture safe. Now, choose your selection tool. I'm going to show you my favorite and one of the most effective methods, the object selection tool. You can find that tool in the toolbar on the left side of the screen. It looks like a strange square. With the object selection tool selected, a circle with a plus sign will appear inside. Now, start carefully drawing around the car. Don't worry if it's not perfect at first. Photoshop's magic will take over. Click and drag around the car to roughly select it. Photoshop will now analyze the image and attempt to auto-select the car. You might need to zoom in or use the Add to Selection or Subtract from selection tools to refine the edges. If needed, see how it detects the car edges. Once you are satisfied with the car selection, go to the Select menu and click on Invert. This will change the selection, so the background is the active area. Next, click on the Add Layer Mask option. It's the icon that looks like a rectangle with a circle in the middle. This will instantly hide the unselected parts, therefore removing the background. Now, the background is gone. You should see the background turn checkered, which shows the transparency. This is your chance to be creative. Import a different picture to act as your background, and drag it below your car layer. And there you have it, a brand new setting for your eye. Play around with the background, size, and positioning. You can make your car look like it's anywhere. Try this at home. And don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tips.